Good morning, Eloise.
Good morning.
Today in Year 2 Science, we're going to be investigating materials and what happens when we mix certain materials together. And we're going to be doing this over the term, investigating different materials and mixing certain things together. So firstly, let's find out what you know about the term materials.
Not a lot.
You don't know much about materials. Okay, have you ever heard of the name materials before?
Yes.
Alright, so let's have a look at this object here. This object is
A drink bottle.
a drink bottle, and this drink bottle is made up of materials, and the material used to make this drink bottle is plastic. Here's another object to have a look at. What's that object?
A jumper.
Good. Have a feel of it. It's one of my jumpers. So the object is a jumper, and the jumper is made up of materials as well. Would you like to have a guess and to see what sort of materials would make a jumper?
Wool.
Good, wool. So we've got plastic material and we've got wool. Here's a ball of wool. So we use that to make things. Have you got any wool articles are you wearing today?
And a cardigan.
Good, we've got a cardigan on and that's made of the material wool. Alright, so what we've got to investigate here is using our KWL chart. Remember we used it last science term. What I know, what I want to know, and what I've learned. We're going to look at these two at the moment. So we've learned that a drink bottle is made up of the material
Plastic.
Yep. And we've learned this object is a jumper and it's made up of the material
Wool.
good. All right. Let's look at this shirt here. What's that made of? Do you think?
Cotton.
Good. The material is cotton. So cotton is the material, and cotton comes from a plant, just like wool comes from the fleece of a sheep. So we'll put the cotton up there. So the question that we've really got to work out today is what other types of materials are found at home? Since we're at home now, that's what we're going to be investigating. But it's really important to remember that an object is made of materials, and materials can be described as everything we see, everything we smell, taste and touch. Can you say them for me?
See, smell, taste and touch.
So everything around in our world. So what types of materials have you seen?
A spoon.
That's an object, so what sort of material would be made of that, do you think?
Metal.
It could be metal, you're right. What about something else? What about when we sit out at the table?
A wooden chair.
A chair. So the material is
Wood.
wood. Right, well let's have a look at our graphic organiser here. We used one of these last term in science as well. And in the middle, we always have the subject of what we're learning. And we're learning about
Materials.
materials. We want to find out about materials. Okay, so we're going to find things that might be plastic in our house, metal, wood, wool, and glass. So today I've got some pictures for you to sort through. Have a look and see what they are. What have we got?
A chair, and it's made out of wood.
Yep.
A spoon made out of metal. A duck made out of plastic, and a jumper made out of wool.
Do you want to put it up on my organiser? So we've got a chair made out of
Wood.
wood.
Spoon.
Spoon would be made out of
Metal.
metal. I'll hold it for you.
Duck.
A
made
duck made out of
plastic.
plastic.
And a jumper made out of wool.
A jumper made out of wool. What one's left?
Glass.
Have a think about anything around the house that's made from glass.
A drinking glass.
A drinking glass, that's right. So we're going to go and sort some other things now. I've got lots of things from the home And we're going to sort them into lots of categories to see if you know the different materials.